Every no is an opportunity, really, for a different yes, an opportunity to put uh, focus on the yeses. Hey, hi, I'm Angel. Thanks for stopping by. I'm on my way to enjoy a little barbecue with a friend of mine and taking a little break from work, even though I got a long list of work I need to get done. But yeah, I had some no's in my business after trying to make a few things work, and instead of looking at that like failure, as there is a temptation to do, I am looking at that as opportunity to help me focus on different parts of my business and kind of get more clear on the parts that are going to work best for me. And so I appreciate the no because it helps me just put that whole basket aside and drive forward to the new or the more personal basket, which is my own published stuff. I've been trying to do commission-based affiliate stuff, and that hasn't worked out for me so well. I gave it a little shot, and I'm not saying I won't give it another shot, but I am appreciating the clarity, appreciating the opportunity to stop putting my energy and focus on that and focus more 100% on my own stuff. And speaking of that, you can find links to some of my own stuff, books, CDs, ramblings, all that good kind of stuff in the description below. And I'd love to know, what is the latest no that was an opportunity for you? What have you gotten a no answer lately on that has helped you clarify what you're going to put more attention to or more focus? I'd love to know in the comments. Till next time, peace, prosperity, positivity, and playfulness.